weak or the regular verbs, right? So we already learned that what is the weak verb and regular verb. The regular verbs are those verbs, their second form and third form are formed by adding D, ED and ID. So today we learn how to form the regular verbs, right? So here we discuss spelling rules of regular or the weak verb by adding D, ED and ID. So rule number first, what tell us the rule number first? That those verbs which end at E, they are the regular verbs. To form the second form and the third form, just we add D to the base form. Just we add D to the base form. Look at this word had. So in that E, so here we add D, just add D. The second form will be had it and third form will be had it. So you must know that regular verbs has a second form and a third form and a similar, right? Next word is love. We add here D, loved, loved and loved, accused, accused and accused. Rule number second, what rule number second tell us? Rule number second tell us such regular verb ends at consonant letter. Before consonant, single vowel letters. And it consists one syllable. So before we adding ed, we double the consonant. Then we add ed. So look at this. Chad. Chad is a regular verb. One syllable. It consists on the one syllable. Before he gets consonant letter. C is the consonant letter. And A is the vowel. Single vowel letters. So what will we do? We double the consonant letter, then we add ed. So look at this chat. Here we double the consonant, then add ed. Chatted and chatted. Another example is bag. So we have double the plus ed, bagged and bagged. So chatted, if you write chatted, CHATED, this are correct spelling. And also bag, this also one correct spell. The correct spell will be CHATTED and BEGGED. So next we have rule number 3. Such word, such regular verbs, because we are learning the spelling of regular verbs. Regular verbs are following the rules and regulation, not a strong verb. Right? So in at L before single vowel letters. Single vowel letters. So what we do? Double the lost, double L, double the L, and then we add it. So look at this word travel. Travel is in at L. And before L, a single vowel letters. So here we double the double L, then add ed. Traveled and traveled. So you must keep in mind that these rules will apply only on British language, not American English. Right? So here cancelled. Another example is cancelled, cancelled and cancelled. This is spelled as the British English and this is spelled as the American English. So there is a difference between American English and the British English. So next we have rule number 4, such verb which end at Y. Before Y, consonant letter. Then we drop the Y or remove the Y and add ID. Look at this word copy. So copy is a verb, regular verb, end at Y. And before Y has a consonant letter. So here we drop the Y and then add ID. So copied and copied. If you write here copied, this is the wrong spell. So what is the correct spell copied? C-O-P-I-D. Next example, marry is also in at Y and before Y the consonant letter. R is the consonant letter. So what we correct spelling? Married and married. Rule number 5. Search for which begin at Y. Before Y, yeah, Y precede the vowel letters. So we don't drop Y. So look at this play. Play Y precede the single vowel letters. So we had here ED, like. Not here we drop Y. Just add it. The rule number 6, move ahead, such verb which has 2 syllables or more than 2 syllables. Right? 1, more than 2 syllables. The last syllable in that consonant letter. Before consonant is a single vowel. The main point is here, the stress is on the first syllable, not on the last syllable. Look at this word, transfer. So transfer consists of 2 syllables, trans. This trans takes a lot of time. Here we are forcing trans for slightly stress, not heavy stress. Heavy stress is on the first syllable. And in it consonant letter, consonant before consonant, single vowel. Then we add, before adding ed, we double the consonant letters. So here we double the consonant letters. Transferred. If you write the spelling of transfer in such a way, transferred, this is the incorrect spelling. This is not right spell. Another example is add. Add. What add? Is a heavy stress, heavy force. Add. Because add takes a lot of time, then mid, slightly stress. MIT. What will we do? Sakanasi. Double the lost consonant, double D, and then add ED. Now rule number 7, which one is the vice versa? When the stress is not on the first syllable, but on the second syllable. Not on the first syllable, but second syllable. So what we do here? Just add ED, not we double the lost consonant letters. So here I have written a few examples, 2 examples of such rules. Refer. Look at this refer. We don't double here. And enter. We don't double R. Right? Why we don't double R? Because the stress is on the last syllable, not on the first syllable. If the stress is on the first syllable, so we double the double consonant and E. But in such situation, the stress is on the last syllable, on the first syllable, right? On the first syllable, we don't double the double.